Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Threads accounts without deleting Instagram accounts. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your Threads account, you're going to go to the bottom right corner, and then you're going to click on your profile picture. Then you're going to go to the top right, and then click on those two lines. And then you're going to look for something which says account. Now it says deactivate or delete profile, so we're going to press on that. So, deactivate or delete. Deactivating your profile is temporary. Your Threads profile content, likes, and followers will not be visible to anyone until you reactivate your profile. But we're not trying to do that, we're trying to delete it. So, deleting your profile is permanent. Your Threads profile content, likes, and followers will be hidden before being permanently removed in 30 days. So you're going to press on the button which says delete profile at the bottom. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.